At every global convention, our leadership team has the challenging privilege of choosing an associate to receive Business Builder of the Year award. We get to choose from so many wonderful people who have built so much more than business. They have built up the people around them, and they have built up a true legacy. And no one has done it better than this year's winner. He will be accepting his award over Zoom call with all of us today. He and his wife are people of strong conviction and great caring. Their influence on associates throughout Europe and the world has been wonderful to watch and to experience. I know this couple since more than 10 years, and I'm very happy and I'm very proud to call them my friends. So please help me recognize this year's Business Builder of the Year, Jörg und Zoltan Barnay.